like I said, I'm a one-man show right now. Whenever I get into a pickle, I go to YouTube and I watch Steven on my Amazon guy, and I can figure it out like that. So
Steven is he's so transparent.
So have you been familiar with this before?
Well, I was watching some YouTube videos from your company.
How did you find us? How did you find my Amazon guy?
I think it was on YouTube. Just as I put the my product on Amazon, you're watching YouTube and you're in the selling university and you're in heavy learning mode.
It's nice that you reached out to my Amazon guy. Have you been familiar with this before by any chance?
No, it's a little new. So I just found actually one of your YouTube videos, and that's how I heard of it.
I see. By the way, are you familiar with this before? Have you seen us?
I have seen a couple of YouTube videos from that YouTube account. Looking for someone who can look into my account and see what's the real problem.
I have followed the Amazon guy on YouTube and everything for like over 4 years.
Had you heard of my Amazon guy prior to that?
Yeah. You guys have a pretty big YouTube presence, right? Is it the one guy on there? Does he own the company?
Stephen Pope. He's our founder.
I've been watching like the Stephen Pope, just like his YouTube. I never came across his YouTube before this job, but they're so like detailed. He'll spend an hour talking about like one topic. I've been really enjoying watching his videos.
Part of this maybe too is that I was watching one of Stephen's YouTube videos last night, and he was talking about like this pizza stone one and saying you can hide keywords behind the images. And
have you been familiar with this before?
Yeah, I've just watched some of his videos on YouTube. So yeah, a little familiar.
Actually, we just kind of follow your blueprint lately on your YouTube videos and just say, okay, have you looked at doing that? And it's kind of pushed by the wayside, so then I have to do like alt text.
One of the issues we had, I bumped into one of your YouTube videos, which by the way helped me resolve the issue. Really impressed with your YouTube videos. They were really helpful.
Yeah, we saw you online, and I do know that there's YouTube videos that for your brand, so that's why we actually found you too. You're pretty popular.
Trying to make it grow even more, so we're looking into the Amazon stuff, and actually I found you guys on YouTube a bit. I think I saw a lot of videos, and you make quite a lot, so that's how I stumbled upon your agency. So
I need some assistance. Like I saw your videos and advertisement on the YouTube, and I got excited to let's talk to you.
So I just came across your advertisement through looking through Google and YouTube, and just wanted to take the opportunity for just get some feedback from you.
Yes, I have seen many videos of my Amazon guy on the YouTube as well, and we were actually going through some issues related to our Amazon account.
I think it's thanks to Google that you appeared on YouTube or something, and then
Thanks
after I clicked once, you appeared 1 million times. So here we are.